sky. Late June breeds a restless flame. A dusty road stretches through the fields, calling softly my old name. No hurry waits beyond the bend, only miles beneath the sun. Across the land, the engine hums a low old tune. The wheel feels steady in my hands. Dust climbs slowly in the mirror, like smoke beneath the summer sky. Dust in the air, heat on my face, rolling slow at an easy pace. From Bobota down to Trpinje, fields of gold on every side. Dust keeps dancing, the hot wind sighs. Slow roads beneath blue skies. Loose white gravel sings below. Every stone has found its place. A tractor works beyond the hill, keeping time with summer's pace. The smell of straw and drying earth fills the silence all around. Dust in the air, heat on my face, rolling slow at an easy pace. From Bobota down to Trpinja, fields of gold on every side. Dust keeps dancing, the hot wind sighs. Slow roads beneath blue skies. Far ahead, dragonflies drift through the light. Every fence and every tree seems asleep this afternoon. Nothing calls me off this road, nothing asks me to move fast. Dust in the air, heat on my face, rolling slow at an easy pace. From Bobota down to Trpinja, where the country gently glides. Dust keeps rising with each mile. Summer lingers. Softly carving dusty lines. Harvest wagons cross the fields, working through the afternoon. The Shadows move so slow underneath the blazing sky. Every mile feels old and true, like it always knew my name. I let the west wind lead the way. One more road, one more day. Dust in the air, heat on my face, rolling slow at an easy pace. From Bobota down to Trpinje, where the quiet roads abide. Dust keeps rising, wheat waves high, late June drifting slowly by. No need to hurry, no need to run, just me